Hi everybody, welcome back. Today I was working on this Minn Kota Powerdrive V2. Basically it stopped working on us this summer and I didn't know what was wrong with it. I took it into the mechanic and they said they were going to charge us $175 just to diagnose it. And I thought that was a little expensive, so I decided to diagnose it myself. So what I did is I went ahead and tested the foot pedal, which is right here. And it would turn the power head, which has got the propeller below. It would turn back and forth. And then I'm like, okay, well, what else could be wrong with it? So I took this head off and I connected the main unit in there to the battery, straight to the battery. And that ran the propeller below. So that just told me that this part here that was in this housing unit was bad. So I went ahead and called Minn Kota and I asked them what the part number was for it, and they gave it to me. They were charging, I believe, $180 for it. So I went on eBay and I got it for $138 right there. And I decided to install it myself. So for me to have the mechanic to install this and just to put the part in, which this is the old part right here, just for him to put this in and a new part would be almost $475. And I decided to do it myself and save myself a bunch of money. And now I've got a trolling motor that works. It works great. You see? It works great. So there you go. It pays to try to fix your own things. And all it took to fix it was a number 2 and a number 3 Phillips head screwdriver. That's all I needed. And I also used some needle nose pliers as well. And so I did use these to like kind of pull them apart because they were a little stuck. And then that's about it. Now it works great. So I fixed this for way below the price of what the mechanic was going to charge me. If you could like and subscribe, I'd appreciate it. And then I have this old part, and I figured out afterwards what's wrong with this, and I could easily fix this too, but since I got the new part in, I'm not going to do that. There you go. If you could like and subscribe to my channel, or if you want me to pull this off and show you how I wired it in there, everything, all the instructions came with it. Now, there is something a little different from the new part, from the old part. The wiring is just a little bit different on 2 areas. So if you get this and you have this problem and you don't understand it, let me know and I can pull it off and show you how to wire it. Other than that, have a great day. And if you could like and subscribe. See you all soon. Bye-bye.